Satyan Reddy says he understands that value research suggests investors to avoid thematic funds, but aren't they better than direct stocks?
Well, he's right that we generally suggest that thematic funds are avoidable for most investors. Now, the thing is that for investors who have certain specific convictions on a particular theme, say infrastructure, or pharma, or consumption, or any such theme, if somebody has certain specific convictions on a particular theme, and he or she wants to build an exposure to a diverse basket of stocks which are going to be beneficiaries of that particular theme, then I'd say that a thematic fund can be a worthwhile option to consider to take a certain limited exposure, and that could be better than investing directly in stocks because by investing directly, one may not be able to build a diverse exposure to a basket of stocks pegged to that theme. So for this limited purpose, perhaps certain thematic funds might be of appeal to a certain limited set of investors. But one has to keep in mind that even by investing in a thematic fund, one may need to take a more of a tactical approach and think about the right time to exit when one believes that the theme has played out and the companies pegged to that theme are starting to have pretty rich valuations. But I believe for most investors, it is easily avoidable, and they can stick to vanilla diversified funds and leave all those decisions to a fund manager. Also, keep in mind that the more exotic a fund gets, with a certain twist to the investing story, costs tend to rise because things may not be very competitive in those niches. So you end up paying more in terms of expense ratios, while the promise in terms of superior performance may be unproven. So for a vast majority of investors, I'd say sticking to vanilla diversified funds can be a better alternative.